I hope not.
Got one. There's gonna be, I think there might be one more. Hey, let's go take him as a prisoner of war.
Straight across.
Let's go take him as a prisoner of war. Ezekiel, where's he at? Come here. See that guy that I just shot? Go fucking take him. Say you're a prisoner of war. Go take him.
Heads up, there's one straight ahead.
Tell him surrender.
Straight ahead in that building.
In that building? Put down cover fire. Ezekiel, get ready. Ready, go. Fuck. Hey, move in, move in. Take it, take it. Surrender.
Man, what a terrible start.
Ezekiel, on me. Take him to base. Yeah, if you wanna just, here, you need help. Hey, Ezekiel, take him. We need to take this tower.
There's somebody at that castle behind there.
Somebody help me!
That's fine. Hey, he's gonna be screaming. You gotta hold him and go. Back to base.
They've got me!
Back to base, where we just came from. Hey, push. We're taking it. Brandon, come on. Let's go. You got grenades? You got grenades?
There's some straight back on
You got grenades? No. All right, hey, stack up. We're going in. All right, I'm on you. Yeah, we're going in. Okay, ready? Hey, stack up. Stephanie, shoot it. Shoot it. Okay, ready? Let's go. Shoot.
Clear.
Clear?
Nope, clear.
All right, clear. Hey, 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 hey. Straight down the trail. Got two. You hit? Yep. Brandon. Okay, there we go. You're supposed to stay there and bleed out. Anyone want to be a bro and medic me? AWOR will.
My bad. Really bad about that.
Dude, it's all good. Surrender. Come on. Alex, come take him. Alex, come take him. Somebody. You got him? Yeah, we got him. We got him. We're good. Thank you, Matt. Yeah, you're both fucking hit. You want to call it? I'm sitting here watching you. Oh, yeah, that one got you, huh? Are you fucking serious, kid? I'm watching them hit you. Oh, look at that! It hit you! Woo! 300 rounds later. Supposed to stay there for 3 minutes. Get back where I shot you. All three of you.
What are we doing? Taking POWs?
Yep, take the POWs. Take them. Let's go.
Hey!
Left to right. Hey, buddy. Hello. Hey, Daniel, take him. Ready, go. All right, guys. All right, stack up. We're gonna move down this trail.
10-4.
All right. Michael, you going?
I'll go. Yeah, left side or right side? Left side.
Left side.
He's moving left.
Yep, shoot him. Got him, good job.
Hey guys, you need to back up our spawn. It's right there.
We're trying to assault the control tower. Yeah, there's two. Give us 1 minute. Hey.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
Thank you, buddy.
Nah, that's a wall.
Dude, I just went. Oh, I can't?
Oh, wait, is there a window?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah.
Watch it.
Bang!
Hey, heads up. He's right there.
Right where?
Straight back. You can look through this window again. Hey, pop the window open. Clear!
Yep, ready, go.
Oh.
Did you get hit?
Shoot now.
Fuck, dude, I keep on jamming. Okay, so then they're coming from that way too. Move back, all the way around. Sorry. Well, now you're dead. Bang. Hey, bang kill. We now have the comms tower. We're surrounded. Okay.
Hey, there's one side, one door, the wood panel right here. Dead man, coming out.
Hey guys, they're coming from where the old bus used to be.
Dead man.
Do you need a medic?
I got hit twice.
Okay.
Dead man, coming out.
Huh?
Right?
Oh yeah, I came back around.
No, it literally happened right when you turned. Right.
Oh.
I don't know who shot me. Hey, Ryder.
Hey, cover the entrances.
Hey, you need a medic? Yeah.
Pretty good. Bang! Oh shit. Brandon, you got him for medic?
You asked the medic me?
No, somebody just called hit.
Okay. Holy squad. We're banging everyone.
I did.
Nice shot. How many were
Justice KIA.
Wait,
Good clear medic.
is this ours now?
Yeah.
It's fucking two teams versus us.
Yeah.
Medic. Good shit though.
Yeah. Hey guys, we need a medic.
Move up! Just go out of the skin bit. I got the.
You're out? Hi.
Yeah, we parlayed and then he turned around and got shot by somebody.
Yo, dude, I panicked. I saw somebody's son to be coming. He grabs it. He's like, I'm like, you guys are like, right on it. Yeah. Hey, count that 3 minutes. These are all prisoners. They don't come.
Okay, guys, now we gotta push that way.
Coming out.
Or else this won't happen again.
Make sure that the commanders talk.
Are we supposed to be trying to ally, or what's the deal?
Hey.
Whatever will benefit the both of you guys. Hey, good. I got whatever benefits both of you. Exactly.
Call it out.
Okay, do you
Milwaukee's
have a
dead.
mission that would benefit both of us?
Stay here.
Both have mission briefing packets. Look through your mission briefing packet.
You got your packet with you? Woodline.
Woodland's ours. They're Russians.
Hey, don't shoot Woodland. Come on.
They're shooting.
You're Woodland, hustle up.
Find one that,
You're Woodland, hustle up.
I gotta go to concentration camp and get a POW.
Hey, Woodland's taking fire from over there.
What was that, Payne? I'm sorry, I got people yelling all around me.
Get ready.
Yep. Watch your right. Watch your right.
Right over there.
Push. We gotta watch this right. That's where the. There you go.
Hey, I gotta walk you through it.
Can you help escort him back to his people, make sure he gets there safely?
Yep. Take point, I'm on you. He was aiming at something, so they're down here. US? Hey, that ain't 3 minutes. Let's go back to base. Let's go back. Do I gotta carry you or are you good? Yep. This way, this way. Fuck that guy up! He's in the chin scope. Get over here! Hey, Bryce, that's the guy that we gotta hit on. Leroy Jenkins! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Alex, you wanna watch our 6?
Dude, there's nobody even over here.
Their commander is. Hit! Need a medic!
Get your ass with me, mate. We got to go.
That's battlefield.
Hit.
There's no way I didn't get you, Zach.
No, you didn't get me.
Oh, really?
No, I swear to God.
All right.
I would have called it.
It's okay. Okay, friendly's up here. Hey. Watch our 6. 6. Make sure that's us. Keep going, keep going. Hey. Hey. Good. Hey.
Two more that way.
Alright, we just tagged 2 from the side.
We got two more that way, hide behind a tree.
Justice to the rest of the U.S. forces. We are where the old bus used to be. Hey, look up this trail. Start taking them out of the forest.
Yeah, nice. There's no trail there.
Okay, we'll find the trail. Hey, he took out the 2 that were there.
Nope, he's still there.
Are they dead? Yeah, go ahead, go.
Sorry.
Hey.
Yeah, no, there's one over there.
Get through this brush.
Don't go in the net.
Yeah. Don't try and move away next time.
I'm on your heels.
Oh, I want to get to that trail right there. Yep. Hey guys, remember, the woodland that is tall and lanky woodland, we have to capture him and talk to him. Tack, Matt, we're on your
Pull him
left.
back.
Copy that.
Hey. Bryce isn't telling them what the mission is.
Yeah, I heard. Hey, buddy.
What's going on?
Let's go talk in here. Hey, Daniel, go get the bomb that he had. So, you like working for America?
More than the Russians.
Alrighty. Huh. You ready? Let's go. Go ahead.
Call me RT3!
What was that last?
He's good. You're dead, right?
Striker, what was that last?
I'm getting hit by ricochet. I got hit. I don't think ricochets count. What? I don't think ricochets count.
They don't. Brandon, just go ahead and come over here to respond.
He left?
I don't know where he's at.
Did Bryce go by you?
No, he come up and got me from behind.
Yeah.
I was like, man, I thought
Did you see Bryce?
yeah, boy.
Good.
Contour, buddy.
Come with me.
Yeah, you can let go of me.
Oh, sorry.
You good?
Yep, I'm good.
Come on.
Alright.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, we gotta go.
Everybody just start going. All right, let's go.
All right.
I got hit. I couldn't come. I'm sorry.
Man, I can't target identify that.
Man, why you gotta do that?
See him moving? I don't know. Don't friendly fire. Are those our guys? I don't know. Yeah, I'm coming.
Yeah, they're ours. Hey, buddy. Oh, you hit? Hey, cover me.
I took out 5 guys.
Which one of you needs medic?
I got him. Yeah, you're good. Go ahead.
I got 5 guys
There you go, bud.
flanking around them.
Hey, we just gotta hold these trenches. There you go, bud. There you go. Hey, moving outwards. Take him.
I fucking switch turned off.
Hey, pull him to me. Pull him to me. Are you medic?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're hit. Thank you. Ezekiel, you already got medic, so you got to bleed out. He's hit, though.
Daniel!
Hey, somebody pull his ass down here.
Yeah, that was some back there.
Hey, friendly still counts.
I got him over there.
All right. You just dropped 2 mags in front of you.
Okay.
I know
exactly where they are, too.
Well, and there you go.
The guys on our right are pushing. We're good.
Okay. So we just got to watch our mid and left. You need mag? Did I just get hit?
In this last one.
Oh, that's ricocheting.
Yeah, I can't get to my gun.
I need a fucking mag, yeah.
Yeah, what do you take?
Huh?
You need mags?
Yes, I need a mag, just M4 mag, something. Thank you, mate.
Hey, spare. Yep.
Babe.
That leaves me with 3.
I'm covered in the M4
Huh?
mag.
Okay.
Okay, I got 9. Jesus Christ!
Shut up!
The black.
2 full mags!
Actually, our objective is to keep these hills right here. It's the final battle. All right, this is the final battle. We got to keep these objectives. That's their spawn.
Shit,
This means war. I don't have my phone.
Hey! No, I'm not. I know, you're fine.
You're good.
It was called for.
I got him. Get up, move. All right, down. Hey, whoever needs their gun, where you at? I'm gonna throw it over the hill to you. Arms out. Duh. Fucking, it wouldn't fit on my sling. That's where I usually put it for like Pandora and stuff. Got my face. It's all good. That's why you wear one of those. There you go. All right.
Hey, there's still a guy up in the tower.
Yeah, that's their base, bro. Load.
I know I shot through that window.
It's all good. Hey, just keep a watch on our side so they don't fucking hook around. The left side of the big fort, they're in that tree line. Good shit. Hey, good shit, bro. Hey, they're in that tree line.
Right ahead?
Yep. Hey, like we did that one time. Hey, left side of fort fence, that's where he is.
Somebody catch a thunder beat.
I know, right? And none of us have any.
Alex, you got your thunder beat?
I can chuck it.
We know where. No, don't fucking chuck it. We know where they are.
I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Dude, if he hits somebody, I'm gonna freaking laugh.
So, that's what I'm talking about.
Fuck yeah.
I got a thunder beat too.
Get up, go!
I love the movement, boys. I've never seen anyone move so fast when I say move up.
Thank you. You haven't ran with AWOR. Woo shit! Huh? Watch out, please. Fucking mags, jingle, jingle, jingle.
So one thing I hate about the BBs, too. It's
like-
like a thing of BBs to reload it.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, little guy. You're dead. Go back to the respawn over there.
Can't respawn.
I know it.
Move! Move! Dick shots for days!